first round is crewmate. Oh, let's go. Did you see that in the arsenal? With that mid-base skin. Okay, so let's get out of here because previous rounds before Nathan has killed me. Alright, well that's a little bit of a problem. Because they're probably not going to find the body. Well, actually, probably are. Their base skins are really common pass. But, anyways, if you haven't noticed, we're playing Among Us here. And, obviously not many people are playing, but it's still going to be a great time. Currently, we're med-base scanning. Doesn't... Ooh, okay, let's listen.
Where's the body? It's an admin. I came down to do a download task, and I thought, oh, okay, I'll just check. I'm just gonna check the room just in case someone is dead here. And well, this is what checking gets you. A lot of suspicion passed.
I was at lower engine and I was walking to electrical because no one was fixing lights, and I was checking if there was a dead body there. But apparently no.
Who checks for a dead body? Don't you check for your task? No, you always check for a dead body. Exactly.
You check for a dead body first, and then
I wish you should look and
Wow,
see.
he's really
And if I
pulling this
happen to
off.
run into a dead body, then I'd report it. I'm just going to skip because I don't have any suspicion. But if you guys have suspicion on me, feel free to vote for them. Oh my god, shut up, phone. I'm playing on my phone and it's being annoying.
This is really good. Precious 7 KO. Wow, I think Nathan's gonna win. I actually do. Well, usually the rounds that we played before that recording, it usually ended in one round, so I'm really surprised. Hopefully somebody quickly finishes all their tasks. Alright, so Nathan's trying to make himself look some sauce. He's gonna kill Jackson. Yeah, he's trying to kill Jackson. He's gonna kill Jackson right here. And he's gonna lose. Jackson may get away. Really hope he does. You see down here? Okay, Jackson seems to have got away. Ooh, okay, but Nathan's gone another way. Alright, that's good. Okay. Alright, that's good. I think I've completed. Alright. Okay, just one more task in open weapons, I mean. Alright. Oh my god. That was such a...
That was a really bad move.
Oh my...
when I saw you got into cafeteria, I was like, oh shit. And then I had to kill KM.
Oh my god.
Don't tell me.
That was a very good round, people. Alright, are we gonna go again?
I did my card swipe and then you step back.
See what?
Oh, crewmate again. Do it again. Okay, so let's do the storage stuff. Nathan usually kills me in admin, so let's just stay away from admin. Let's just be a little bugger and just... Oh my... What? He vented? Oh my god. Oh, that was very good game. I'm not even sad. Honestly, very good maneuvers. Just wish that Jackson's gonna vouch for him. And King Kong's... Oh, this is so bad.
So, we can agree on who it is, Jackson?
Yeah, I think so. I saw your quick reactor before that. So I'm going to conclusion. I'm not sure, actually. It could be Nathan. Names me straight off the bat.
You do this every time, Nathan. Literally every time. Every time.
Because I don't go with the path.
Oh my god.
You don't let me switch to my phone and my other account when I need to. Keep server meeting me and my phone's gonna go flat for 1%.
Charge it then.
Oh, that was good fun.
Alright, that was a poopy game. I died again first.
See, this is what it feels like. This is what it's like to die first time every time, so. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah.
Alright, let's see. Oh, let's go where the imposters, please. Okay, so I don't think I want to kill straight off the bat. I want to try and earn the job. See, he's going to think I'm going to kill him straight off the bat. But I'm not. So I'm going to just wait 5 seconds, and then I'm going to leave. See, I would normally kill him there, but I want to try and earn his trust. Just look these things. How's this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's not kill him here. Follow him up. Here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think we're gonna get away with it. Alright. One, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Should we kill him? Yeah, let's go. And quickly let's get to electrical. I don't think they're ever gonna find the body. Alright, let's just... stick with that.
Okay, so, I think it's Kale.
That's really funny. There was only one person who could clear me, and they killed me.
I think it's Kale because when I was downloading down the communication, he came from navigation. He came from down that way.
That's because I saw you teleport from electrical, not even going through storage. I was looking at
It isn't me.
and then
It isn't me.
teleported to navigate Convent.
I feel like I'm in this situation where I'm gonna have to choose one of you two. But also I feel like it's me as well, but I don't know!
Sick, that was a very good move.
I don't know. I honestly don't know.
It's you.
It's not me!
No,
This
it's not.
is...
It's not saying.
Don't look at my screen! Anyway, let me continue. I don't think it's Kale because I only saw him in comms, but if you said he came from navigation,
He came from down that way, I saw him.
but the really bad thing for me is I came from navigation as well. Well, not navigation, but from that way.
It's a really bad thing for you is that you climbed out.
Kale, I think it's you. And thank you for letting me win.
Except you never cover up your screen unless you're the imposter.
You shouldn't have came into the room, Kale.
Since we're put in a really hard place now.
That was a good round. That was a really good round.
Only because you didn't die.
Yeah, that's the only reason.
Ah, my ears. I haven't been the imposter once.
Watch him get imposter.
Yeah, what she get imposter 4
very rarely.
times? Let's see. Imposter again? Probably not. Yeah. So let's... where do we want to go? Let's do download